This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Faircloth. Come and see Shenandoah great community. You can move into this 3-bedroom 2-bath home with an open floor plan. Beautiful view of the lake. Home has been partial updated over the years. According HURRICAN shutters. Air conditioner 2015, water heater 2018. A large back patio with 3 new ceiling fans overlooking a large view of the lake. Nice for entertaining. For more information, review the details below.